It's now 6 o'clock in the morning on Saturday before I take off on my trip for Broome. They're supposed to pick me up in a few minutes. North out of Perth on the first day. One of the largest I've seen. It's not operating now. I don't know if it does operate. A little close-up of emus. They're normally hard to get this close to. Obviously these are in captivity.
Okay, we'll be passing through lots and lots, so yeah, you'll be able to have a very good idea of that. Now, as I said before, I'm going to drop you off so you can have a good look through the pinnacles.
These are formed when a layer of what I think must be limestone is permeated by water, or is infiltrated by water, and it's kind of like Bryce Canyon and Chiricahua National Monument, except that this is all that is left, and then it's filled in with sand. So you get this appearance of remains of teeth, if you will, like these two right here. It's interesting on this stone to see what looked like some kind of moving formation of sand or lava or something that created things like that feature there. But it's just kind of a novel, interesting place. This one has the appearance of maybe of having been a set of monuments or burial monuments, but it's not. Some kind of wooden walkway for the sand that somehow conforms to the undulation of the sand. I'm not quite sure how it's attached, but it looks like it might be attached to a cable. And this is a field of little ones, some that probably tourists have maliciously broken off, like a portion of that one. These islands of rock and some vegetation that they ask people to stay off of, because apparently they harden up the surface, and that reduces the erosion naturally, and when they step on it, these artifacts here will start to erode rapidly. Apparently whatever direction I'm facing now, which I think is northwest, gets most of the weather, probably wind and rain. It looks like some artifacts of prior forestation in the area. She said there were tree roots that we would see, or evidence of them. And just shifting here, you can see evidence throughout this particular one of tree roots. Although ironically, they almost look like some kind of mythological figure, or perhaps an Aboriginal might have interpreted it that way at one time. But apparently they're tree roots. Do you know what kind it is?
No.
It has a light head, doesn't it?
A brownie kind of head. Just oh, how's the sound?
Oh, he's really going for it.
Yeah. See how quick they are? How's its track? Should put it on camera. For a while. It may not be dangerous.
Here you can see a real clear example of it. Petrified sand dune cross bedding.
I've never seen them sitting like that.